In this Elementor tutorial video, I will show how to design a custom shop page using the Elementor Theme Builder. As you can see over here, this page over here, this is a default WooCommerce shop page, and you can see that it looks very simple, only listing out the products and nothing else, the title and just the products. Okay, but using the Elementor Theme Builder, you can make it look like this with a custom design without writing a single line of code over here. And you can see that I have added a um, cover image over here with the title, page title, custom carousel, product carousel with exclusive sales, only filtering out the sale products over here. And then comes the product, and you can see that I have also given it a custom design with a gray background, orange color buttons over here. And lastly, I've added a subscription form over here, name and email. Okay, over here you see, and this will overtake this shop page, default shop page created by WooCommerce. Okay, over here. So I'm going to show it to you how to do this. But I want to let you know that the theme builder is a feature of Elementor Pro. So you'll need to purchase and install it. If you want to purchase Elementor Pro, I'm providing the link of it uh, in down in the description below. So you can click on the link and purchase Elementor Pro and follow along the tutorial with me. Okay, let's get started building the shop page using shop page template using Elementor Pro, Elementor and Elementor Pro. Okay, so this is what the shop page looks by default. Okay, so let me view this page over here, and you can see this is the by default how the shop page looks like. Um, this is how WooCommerce generate the shop page. All you got is the title over here at the top, and only the products listed out like this one over here. Okay. And another thing is that you don't get an option to edit this because it is automatically generated by WooCommerce, and you just need to assign a page where to show the products, and it will show the products just like this one. Okay. And with any theme, if you use any theme, you'll need to use the theme customizer to like make minor changes. Okay, like how many columns or something like that. But if you want to do a custom design, that Elementor Pro is your best option. The theme builder by Elementor Pro is the best option to do that. Okay. So if you do not have Elementor Pro purchased on your or activated on your website, then you can purchase it from the link down in the description below and follow along with me designing the shop page with a custom design. Okay, so let's get started. So firstly, you need to go to the back end of the website, and then you need to scroll down and go to uh, templates, and then go to theme builder over here. Okay, so it's opening up the theme builder. And now what you need to do, you need to add products archive. You see this option over here, products archive, and click plus over here. Okay, products archive. It's opening it up. So it's loading. Okay, it's almost loaded. Oh, so you see that there is a bit of template, but I will start from scratch. So firstly, I will add a container over here, Flexbox container. Okay, then what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to style and then add a background image over here to make it look nicer. Okay, if I scroll down over here, I had a background image. Scroll down. Okay, this is the background image which I'm going to use for this section. And I will have set it a minimum height like this one. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to styles And attachment, I'll say to fixed, okay, like this one over here, attachment fixed. Then I'm going to titles, and I'm going to drag and drop this one, archive title over here. Okay, archive. So this is how it looks. I'll just click on this section and then go into layout and then center align this, center horizontally and vertically. Then I'm going to click on this title and click on this title, this banner settings, and include context. I just want the shop title, shop. Okay, just a shop, this shop like one. And I want to make this H1. This is already H1. And typography, I want to transform it to uppercase. Okay, so this is how it looks. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to add another section over here, flexbox. Okay, and then maybe a bit of padding at the top, 50 pixels top, 50 pixels bottom. Okay, then set the style, go to set style, background color. I'm going to set it to light gray. Okay, light gray. And then I'm going to add the plus icon. And this, you see, this is the archive products over here. Okay, I'm going to not add this one over here. I'll delete this for now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a carousel, which will show the only the sale products. Okay, you see that who product carousel. So this is something from essential add-ons by Elementor. So I can drag and drop this like this. Okay, you see this is the essential add-ons by Elementor. Okay, and I can add a title over here, heading title. Okay, center, and I can give it a name, exclusive sales. Okay, and I'm going to click on this carousel over here, and maybe I'll do a filter of it. Filter, filter, okay, query, recent products, sale products. Okay, now it will only show the products which are on sales. Okay, with a discounted price. Okay, then I'm going to add another Flexbox container over here and add a padding, a bit of padding at the top, 50, 50, 10, 10, okay, and archive products over here. Okay, so these are going to be the main products over here. And what I can do, I can go to styles and give these boxes a custom kind of styling. Okay, and I can go to style and over here box, this is the box. I can give the box a background color of light gray. You see this light gray option over here. I'll can set a padding of 25, so it looks like this. And for the button, I can make the button over here products generation box. Let me see, where is the button. Okay, products, title, rating, button. Okay, I found the button option. Button background, I can set it to orange. So you see this is orange, text color white, and when I hover away, it should be handyman green like this one. Okay, so you see very quick design. I can also change this title. Okay, I can maybe change the color, price color to something more handyman dark, which stand out, and maybe I can change the weight to something bold. Okay, so it stands out. Okay, great, great. So we have design, and then I'm going to go scroll down and add another section for people to subscribe to our mailing list. Okay, I can add a padding at the top, 50 pixels top and 50 pixels bottom, 10 right, 10 left. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on this flexbox container, go to styles, background type. I'm going to set a background color of handyman, this one, green color. Okay. Then I'm going to add a heading over here. Center align it, text color white. So I'm going to say subs, subscribe to get latest news. Great. Then I can add a form element, form builder. Let's see which one is by Elementor. I'm going to search for it. So here is the form element. This is by Elementor Pro. I can remove this message. I can hide the label. Okay. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to set it to maybe 30, email 30, and this button, let me check, button 30. Okay. I can set it to, let me check. Oh, no. Okay. Maybe I can make it, let's write another name, 33, email also 33. Okay. Now it looks better. And then input size, I'm going to make it medium or I guess large. Okay. Now it looks better. And I can set a custom height to this section over here and center align this. Okay. And add a bit of padding, margin to this text over here. 20. No, not above the top, the bottom. Okay. Great. Almost done. A bit of gap at the bottom. I don't know why. Let me try to remove this. Click on this flexbox container and margin. Let's set the bottom margin of something like, sorry, let me see. Okay, you see the gap is removed now. Okay, so now we have already designed this shop page, right? I can add a bit of overlay to it to make it more stand out. Background overlay, I can, you know, type. I can choose a color of this element green, so it stands out a bit more. Okay. Then I can check the tablet version over here. The tablet version, the carousel looks fine. The product looks fine. Okay. And this subscription form also looks fine. Okay. And I can check this mobile version. Uh, top section looks fine. Carousel looks fine. And this over here, let me see if I can fix it. Columns gap. Let me remove the gap. Okay. So this is how it looks on mobile. And the form also looks like this one. Okay. Okay. So now we have designed this shop page over here. Now what you need to do, we need to apply it. Okay. So that this replaces the default shop page over here. Okay. Default shop page. And to do that, we need to click on this publish and add a condition over here. Product archives. Okay. All products archive. We need to show this, or we can only show it on the shop page. Okay. The default shop page, so that it doesn't show up on categories page, only the shop page. Okay. So we can make it look like this, and our search results, brands, etc. So only the shop page, we're going to make it look like this, and we're going to say save and close. Okay, then you go to the shop page. So you see this is how it looks, the default shop page. If I refresh it and you'll see the new design. You see, this is the new design, okay? Replaced by what we have designed using the Elementor Pro Theme Builder, okay? Great. And it will also, you will also be able to browse all the products, how many you have, this over here, okay? You can click on this add to cart, okay? Just like this one over. So this is how you design a custom shop page template using the Elementor Pro Theme Builder. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.